In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload Google Docs to Google Drive. If you have a document on your computer and you want to store it in Google Drive so you can access it online, share it more easily, or open it with Google Tools, this process is very simple. In this example, we'll be uploading a Microsoft Word file, such as a a.doc or docs file, into Google Drive. To begin, open Google Drive in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account so the file goes to the right place. Once Google Drive loads, you'll be on the main Drive screen where you can see your folders and files. Next, look toward the upper left area of the page and click the New button. A menu will appear with several options for creating or adding content to your drive. From that menu, choose File Upload. This tells Google Drive that you want to add a file directly from your computer. After you click File Upload, a file browser window will open. This is where you'll locate the document you want to upload. Find the Word file on your computer by browsing to the correct folder. Once you've found the file, click on it to select it. Be sure you're choosing the correct version of the document, especially if you have multiple copies saved in different places. With the file selected, click Open. As soon as you do that, Google Drive will begin uploading the file. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. You should see an upload progress indicator in Google Drive, so you know the file is being added successfully. Once the upload is complete, locate the file in your drive and double-click it. This lets you open the uploaded document and confirm that it was added properly. If needed, you can then continue working with the file from within Google Drive. Opening it at your upload is a helpful way to make sure everything transferred correctly and that the file is available when you need it. And that's one way to upload a document to Google Drive. It's a quick and convenient method, especially if you're moving files from your computer into cloud storage for easier access and organization. Thanks for watching.